friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So let's explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to enable dark mode on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get dark mode. Here you can find two options, on and off. Now we want to enable dark mode, so we will just press on this icon. You will find here that dark mode already enabled. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video explain how to enable dark mode on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.